told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me would you? Well baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
It's Monday, we up and at 'em. Looking good, feeling good. Let's get it, let's go. To the gym. Back from the gym, about to give myself this relaxer before I get in the shower. Try to do that all in one, the lighting. Gonna try to do that all in one sitting. Let's get into this real quick little relaxer. I try not to scratch it. That's why I wore a hat to the gym and all of that. So I'm like, if I have a hat on it, I won't scratch my head and then it won't burn as quickly and I can let it sit for a little bit. We can get it good. Yeah, good. So let's try that.
Feel me. Feel me.
All right, I got it on. It's about 10:30. I'm rinsing off my tools. About to get in the shower and rinse this off or wash it out. Got the good old neutralizing shampoo. Make sure it's all out. My hair is very damaged, weak, and I really probably should not be putting a relaxer on it. But the way these tape ends are set up and the way these roots were going, we had to do it. And then I'm gonna color it too. I really just want to be bald, basically. So we're gonna see how this hair experiment works out this week. Hopefully I can just, it all works out. My hair doesn't completely fall out. I can color it, it matches the bundles. I have my little tape ends and we're good for summer. Let us pray. But I definitely just like went through the like section to see if like it was getting in the roots in the back. Whole little piece of hair just came out. I said, you know what? If I'm meant to be bald, just say that. So let me hurry up. So, child, the things we do for beauty, convenience, whatever the hell I'm doing this for. Who knows at this point? We gonna see. We sure enough got to see. Show you to the subway, I'll go down. Then the sound of making love. The things you may won't do. I wanna do. All right, that's what we working with. Okay, a little slicky. My hair ain't fall out. You feel like I got no hair on. And when I did the relaxer, I tried not to put it on these colored ends anyway. The relaxer that I use is this Mizani for fine and coarse hair, because that is what my hair is giving right now. Or color treated, not fine and coarse, fine and color treated, because my hair is definitely giving fine when it's usually very, very thick, unmanageably thick, but then definitely color treated. So I used that one, and I probably left it on longer than it should have been, but we got the little slickies be slicky up in there. I'm like feeling through my roots, and the majority of them feel pretty slick. I still feel some curls, but it is what it is, and I don't feel like it's gonna take away from the overall hairstyle. So we're gonna see what it's gonna give. So I decided to, I really should have relaxed it yesterday, but I am gonna give it, my hair color is not supposed to arrive till Thursday. So I'm like, that should be enough time for my hair to like take this chemical process, calm down. Hopefully my immune system allows my hair to rejuvenate itself before I do another chemical process on it with the color. And then, so the color has to sit on the bundles for at least a day. So then that gives my hair another day to like recoup. So I'll probably give myself 2 days. So the color's supposed to come in Thursday. I'm gonna probably color my hair and color the bundles on Thursday. And then after the bundles, I rinse the bundles out and let them dry. So the color's gonna sit on there from Thursday to Friday. Then Friday, after I rinse it out and let it air dry for a little bit, I'll probably start trying to put the tapes on it. And then I will attempt to do my hair either Saturday or Sunday. So I'm trying to give it space in between with all the things that I'm doing to it, because I am not nobody's beautician. So my hair is already telling me like, girl, you're doing enough, calm down, but I just can't quit. So I have a couple days from today till Thursday to color it, and then a couple days between Thursday and I'll probably just do a Sunday just to give my hair some time, and I'll probably be tired, to just get this style done, and then hopefully it turns out right. She'll be ready for summer. Y'all gonna be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me if it work out. Prepare to be sick of me, but prepare to be sick of me. Okay? Prepare to be sick. Yeah. I'm like, oh my God, like, it's just so stressful. It's gonna be great. So that is pretty much gonna end day one. I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm trying not to put no heat or nothing on it until I'm actually putting these tape-ins in, because that requires heat. I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I'll use might be in the other room. Nope. I'm gonna use my Hot Tools blow dryer, but I only use it on the air setting. So I'm just letting my hair do its thing. I might flat iron it. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, that's the plan. Fingers crossed it works out, y'all. Send a prayer up to the hair gods for me, because she just be playing with shit trying to figure it out. But I'm not paying y'all to play in my hair, because tape-ins became all the rage again, and I know these stylists don't have it like that. They're like, oh, I'm a stylist. If you can play, I can play, and I'm gonna play in my own shit for free. So yeah, hopefully it turns out, y'all. Day one done. Some stuff just got here. I think my bundles are here, and then my tapes. So let's look at the tapes first to see if I got enough in case I need to get back on here and order some more right now. What is it looking like? What is it looking like? Feels like a pretty thick stack. So I think there's 180 total. So that should definitely be enough, because from the videos I was watching, everybody was like they needed a total, I think they said like a total of 90 sandwiches. So hopefully this is enough. But to me, girl, what do you want? This look like enough. That look like plenty. Let's hope it's enough. I'm scared now. Look, now I'm about to go watch another one right now because I feel like this whole strip. Yeah, that whole strip. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there's 12 to a thing. Okay. This feels like it should be enough. Let's hope it is. So anyway, let's get into these bundles now because that's the most important part. I think I got 3 bundles. I think I ended up going with the 18, 20, 22 because I felt like I was going to have to do a lot more cutting, layering around the face with the hair with the 20, 22, 24. And then it's about to be a scorcher. I just feel like 22 is probably long enough, especially for summer. So let's see. Let's see how this hair feels. And I said earlier that I was going to keep this whole hair video in one. I'm not. We're doing vlogs. And when I actually do my hair, they give me earrings. Some little pearl earrings. Okay, cute. When I actually do my hair, I'll just make that a separate video. But we're going to vlog until we get all our stuff. All right, so we got 18, 20, 22. This is what it's looking like. Let's see how it feels. That's all you wanted to clean. You heard a bag. You're a mess, girl. Okay, it's soft. Smells like pack hair. Or like just regular buns. It's really soft. Okay. These ends. I don't know. See what they look like. Yo. Them ends looking a little thin. It's looking a little thin. I don't like that. We're gonna see though. Get it in my head. And that's actually one of the reviews said that the ends were thin, so they said they wish they had another bundle. So I was like, well, if I don't get the hair that long, then hopefully it won't be that big an issue, but it's looking a little bit. So I feel like the longest bundle ends look the fullest. Anyway, the hair feels good. It's like a 1. Yeah, it's giving very dark. It's a 1. I kind of want to lighten it because it's definitely not going to take as light as mine, and this is darker than even my roots. So, but then again, I kind of don't. Okay, I gotta think about this process because I really do need, like, I gotta color the whole bundle. So how am I even got to do this? Ooh, that's a lot of hair. Might cut these in half. So I end up having to cut them anyway to install them. So I might end up cutting the bundle in half just so it's easier to get through all the hair, especially like here. I want it from root to ends colored, because when I install it and it's peeking out of anything, I don't want nothing to look different, patchy, anything. So we gotta thoroughly color this hair. I could wash it though. Definitely need to wash it. What's the people be using? Apple cider vinegar, baking soda bath, because we ain't got time for no shenanigans. So I plan on this being in my head for a minute and then being able to reuse them, hopefully. So, yeah, so that's my little hair review. We got the bundles. This might be something, y'all. I'm excited. Yeah, that'll be long enough. Straighten it. Yeah, that's okay. No shedding. I don't know why it's right over there. Yeah. I'll definitely be long enough. Straighten. So, dee. Let's just hope it look like something. I'm excited. Yay. Okay, but I think that's going to end my vlog for today. So we got our tapes in our hair. Semi-prepped. And, yeah. Ready to get started. But that is all. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another one. And I'll see y'all. Stay tuned.
I cannot fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me.